How to change text color in InShot. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipan Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your text color in InShot. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is you want to open up your InShot video editor, and you can open up a picture or video that you want to add a text on. Now I'll just open this up and then I'll just tap on text option and I'll just add a text here. Now in order to edit your color, what you want to do is, you can see I have this. I'll make it a bit large. Now simply tap on this particular text that you wish to edit a color of, and then you want to double tap on it. Once you double tap on it, this will load up. Tap on this color wheel color section that you can see here, and now you can select the color. You can change it as per you want. You can select the border as well if you wish to, and change its color as well, and you can change its shadow color as well. Basically from here you'll be able to change your color. So this way you can change your text color in InShot video editor. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.